Okay, so the first thing you should open up your Rhino. As I said like before, you can get it from the Rhino service. It's for free for the 30 days, so it's more than enough. And after that, when you already open your Rhino, let's go up to the Grasshopper and let's open up our Grasshopper. I will maximize my top view, so I will wait when is Grasshopper will load, and I will maximize my top view. So here we are, and here is my Grasshopper. Now you are inside in Grasshopper. Let's say I'll prepare this window. Okay, so the first thing before we will do something, we need like create a rectangular. So let's find the rectangular. You will find here rectangular. Oh no, this one. We want created. So again, double click rectangle. So it's here, as you can see, and we have like few of the settings. And for that one, we need x, y plane. So we find it. And also we need the sliders. Let's number slider. Slider, it's here. Let's use one, and I'll change to the number, and I'll change it to the 500, let's say. Let's say okay, let's say okay. As you can see, everything okay. So, as you understand, we will connect now our XYZ plane to the P, and now we will connect this one to the X point, and we need one more to the Y point. Let's do like this, and let's go back like this, and let's change it. As you can see, the X point it's already 150, and let's make 150 or maybe even bigger. Let's leave it something like this, that one. Okay, this is pretty enough. As you can see, we get our rectangular by this small kind of node. So now we will modify it. For that one, we need the deconstruct wrap. Deconstruct wrap. Where is deconstruct? Here is deconstruct wrap, and let's connect our rectangular to the deconstruct wrap. Okay, so awesome. So what we're gonna do next? Next, we need the list item. So here is our list item. We need 3 copies of that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, awesome. And let's connect our vertices to the list. 1, 2, and 3. So after that, I need the number of the slider. Let's copy the previous one again. I will copy this one, and I will change it to the, let's say the maximum number it will be 5. Let's say okay. No, it will be 3. Let's say okay. Let's say okay again. Okay, and now let's connect it to the index 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's try to change it. Let's leave it. Oh, let's make this separate, because I don't wanna do it like this. 1, 1 and 3. You will see why we're doing that now. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, but you cannot say anything now, because if I will hide off the wrap, so preview off, you cannot see what's going on here. Let's go and let's create 4-point surface, and let's connect this item to here, the second one here, and last one here. And as you can see, we get like kind of our shape. So but it's not finished. We now should create one more point which we don't have yet. Okay, let's again double click, evaluate surface. Evaluate surface. So it's here. Let's connect it now our rectangular to the surface, and now we need UV again. So to get it, I will use again XY plane here. So place my XY plane is here. Let's connect it to the UV, and after that I need MD slider, and let's connect it here. So after that we need the move. Let's connect our plane to the move like this, and for the disposition we need unit Z. So to make the different, to change our dot on the Z position. Okay, so after that we need one more slider. Let's create one more slider. It's my slider, and I will change it to the floating numbers. Floating numbers, you can see it's like more smaller than integer. Let's connect it here, and let's try something here. It's totally small. It's changing, but it's totally small changes. I'll try to make here the more huge numbers. Let's say here till the 1000. Let's try it. No, it's totally not working as I want. I'll change it to the 1. Let's say okay, let's say okay. Let's do like this, and now if I will change, my point is changing but a little bit. Let's check it out why. Let's make here the around 500, and let's make like this. It's not working. Let's try here. Yes, you should make a reparameterize, because if you not have this one, we cannot change its position. Now is it working? Let's try. Yes, now it's working. As you can see, it's now perfectly working, and we can put our dot whenever we want. But it's not finished. For example, our dot is here. We now can connect it as new dot, and as you can see, now you can manipulate your geometry by your dot. So let's go, for example, from this view to the other view, for example this one, to the maximize. And where is our big panel? And here is our panel. So here is my Z position. I can change it, and here I can change a position on the plane. It's really cool because you can manipulate it visually. So let's do like this one, not much, and it will be okay. Anyway, if you have the data like this one, like we did already, we can create something new. Let's do it. I will hide this one thing, just hide off, and let's create the arc. I will go to, for example, to the curve, and I will find here like something like arc primitives, and here the 3 points cycle point, maybe this one, yes, this one. And as you can see, if I will choose this item, this is dot, it's working. Now this is dot, this item it's dot, this dot, and last one is this dot. Okay, I need this dot, that one, and the last one on the middle side. So, and we will get the cycle, something like that. But I don't want to create cycle, I want to create the arc. Let's find the arc here. Where is here the arc? Or I will use, yeah, it's here. It's totally same. We will create like this, and like this. Okay, and let's create one more arc, something like that. And I'll change this point to that one point. Let's do the same thing, and we will get like this. Okay, awesome. And I will hide this also, and I'll this hide. And let's also hide. No, we will leave these dots. Okay, so what gonna next? We need loft. Let's go to the surface, and here under freeform we will find the loft. And let's connect our arc number 1. Just hold, not control is minus, shift, and also in this place. Let's go now to this side, and as you can see, we get the different shape, the arc shape of our panel, or maybe building. Who knows what you want to create, but I just showing you how you can manipulate with primitives in Grasshopper. So like this. After that we can create the shape for this one, or we can leave it like that. Maybe we want to create like scene. So this is like basic things about the Grasshopper. This all notes you will find below this video, so it's for free. You can download it and use it, modify and use for, I don't know, even your student or commercial project, I don't know. Anyway, now you know how to create some simple forms in Rhino, and I will try to continue it like each week, one tutorial about the Rhino. I think it will be useful for you. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon. To support my channel, you can go to Gumroad, check that my store. There you can find a bundle of this Dynamo scripts, or you can buy 2-story complete house or even the 2-story residential classic house. By this way you supporting my channel and you making me happy to creating the new videos for you guys. And that's it from today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my social media, leave some comments for this video and give some like, and see you next time.